Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to start by confirming your carrier allows blocking caller ID. Some networks restrict it. Once done, open your phone app and note your Android version in settings so you follow matching menus. Make sure you can access your account login and phone PIN because carrier account level hiding may require it. If you plan to use per-call blocking, memorize the prefix code such as *67 or the carrier alternative. This lets you test immediately without changing account settings. Now set the option on your device. Open the phone app, tap Settings, then Calls and additional settings to find Caller ID. Change Caller ID to Hide Number. This applies to all outgoing calls and is the simplest method. If your Android lacks the menu, use the per-call prefix like *67 before the number to hide the caller ID for that call only. Make a test call to a second device to confirm it shows as private, and note any carrier prompts that may override the setting. To finalize, if Android settings don't work, log into your carrier account or call support to enable account-level caller ID blocking. This is permanent until changed. Alternatively, install trusted calling apps that offer number masking, but make sure they are reputable and legally compliant. Once configured, restart the phone and retest. If blocking fails, check the SIM in another phone and confirm your plan permits hiding. If problems continue, contact carrier support and provide the test call time and destination number for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.